Hey there, I just got my big consultant package in the mail and I thought I would do an unboxing. So I'm going to flip you around so we can see what's in here. I did untape it so you didn't have to listen to me make that terrible sound. So I did the sign on in July, so it was $30 and I hope I can get it out of here with one hand. I guess I can. It was $30 to sign on. And this is what I got for $30. So let's get it all out and spread it out, and I will go through it. Alright, so this is a catalog. This is, I think, the big catalog, and these are little catalogs that I can give to other people. That's heavy. And here are the free books I got. Dragon Post by Emmett Yarlett. I wasn't really sure which books they would be, but this one looks like pressing because I really love it. He's my 2-year-old. Actually, you know, my 5-year-old loves Dragons Love Tacos, so ooh, that's neat. That's cool. I think we're going to enjoy this. Ooh, there's a lot of those. How clever. These pages have little things they pull out. Oh my goodness. They're going to love that. Okay, so there's Dragon Post. Very nice book. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay, the next one is That's Not My Giraffe, and I think there's a huge series of these. That's Not My variety of things. That's Not My Giraffe. Very cute. This will be great for Preston. Nice thick pages. Really nice. Ooh, and it's fuzzy. He's going to love that. The next, oh, these are, I'm not sure what that is. We'll look at that later. Stay Strong, an activity book for young people who are experiencing bullying. My children are not experiencing that yet, and I hope they never do. But if they do, this would be good. The quality's nice. Really, the paper feels great. This might be something I kind of read through and see if any of it is applicable to my kids anyway. I mean, every now and then there's like meanies at the park, but I'll have to look through that and see if any of that's applicable yet. I hope my children never go through that. And this is one of the big series in the phonetic group. There's a whole bunch of them with each letter of the alphabet, unicorns and uniforms. My daughter will be learning to read this year, and she's obsessed with unicorns. That's what she decided to use to decorate her room, so she will love that one. And she's just starting to sound out some words and enjoy it, so that would be great for her. And what is the moon? Our little pamphlets, we'll look at that later. What is the moon? A Lift the Flap, very first questions and answers book. Okay, how does this work? Okay, here we go. Preston loves flaps. Actually, so does Hanaya, and there's lots of them. Oh, how cute. And they have both learned the phases of the moon and then probably forgotten them again, so this will reinforce it. Okay, see, they love the waxing gibbous phase where you can see it during the day, so they will love this. I need to break in these little flaps. They're still kind of connected. This is really cute. What's the moon made of? And I would say cheese, even though she knows it's not cheese. That's so cute. Oh, this is neat. This is great. I love this. And we just celebrated landing on the moon, so that's kind of good timing. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this little look into my unboxing. And I can't wait to see you at the party tonight. Bye.